Let's give a demo of how the batch or buffer feature works.
Okay, we can do that.
I'm going to set it to week first to begin with, and then I'm going to change it to an hour so that it will flush out all the emails in a digest. Why don't you folks send me a couple of mails on demo@incisors.com? Send me anything. Just don't write too rough because it will be visible on the screen and may not look good. Rest everything, just send me a mail on demo@incisors.com. Okay, so I believe.
Auntie sent an email, VG sent an email, I sent an email. You should be receiving some.
Yep, so I'm just going to change it to none and it will flush out all the emails into one batch. Okay, so it sent me a digest and this is how it looks like. So from Ankit, Andy, Sajwal, Elma. Okay, so all these emails came into one digest, one single digest.
Nice.
Correct? Now you can reply to any one of them, plain and simple. For example, let me reply to you. Suppose I say, now the subject will be like this. The first time it is replied, but when you will receive it, it will be very different. Let me show you how it will look like. And let me, in the meantime, reply to others as well. So for some folks that may have sent, we might not have received the mail if it was the first time our system was seeing your mail ID. It puts it into the gray list and that takes 5 minutes. The mails are not going anywhere, but the first time the email ID is seen by the Mutant Mail system, it is gray listed. So it's quite possible we not. Yeah.
I already received it. I already received your reply to me.
All right, just show it on the screen. How does it look like? Okay, so that the folks are aware. So this way you can control how many emails you want to receive, because we always have a situation a couple of times. I don't want to let it go, the emails. Can you click on those triple dots actually and show the folks full email actually? Yeah. You see that? It has proper quoted, it has quoted your previous mail below. It has given it a proper subject. Okay. Just click on that. Yeah, there you go. So it has proper subject, proper headers, proper reply, proper attachment, and in case you would have attached a file, it would have replied with that as well.
Okay.
So that is the power of email digest, because you are not losing the email, but you are not getting hammered by a lot of emails as well. And you can have weekly, hourly, or a daily digest depending on whatever you want to choose. And this can be done on any associated Mutant Mail ID if your plan allows it.